How do elephants communicate miles away without making a sound? Elephants are the largest land animals on Earth, and their communication is just as powerful as their size. They don't only use trumpets, they have a hidden way of talking we can't even hear. Elephants send vibrations through the ground using low-frequency rumbles called infrasound. These vibrations can travel far distances across the savanna. Elephants talk silently by detecting these ground vibrations through the sensitive pads on their feet, allowing them to communicate from over 10-20 miles away without a sound humans can hear. An elephant can even sense an incoming storm or danger through these vibrations long before it reaches them, giving them time to move and stay safe. HE Store link in my bio. Subscribe, like, and follow for more wild facts.